Hey everybody, I want to welcome you to American History 2. Excited you're taking this course with me. I want to give you kind of an overview of what we're going to study. We're going to start in the Reconstruction era immediately after the Civil War, life in the South, segregation. We will go into the 20th century, both world wars, cover some modern era things, curious things like JFK's assassination, all the way into the Cold War and the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan, 9/11, and how wars transformed. This course is really important to you to be able to understand the relevance of some modern things that are happening in the light of history. For example, Vladimir Putin's war in Ukraine. How does that fit into history when we consider Putin and the Cold War, when we consider Soviet leaders and losing that territory with the fall of the Soviet Union? So lots of exciting things. I'm very excited to have you here, and I look forward to meeting you all soon.